When I first learned how to factor in algebra, it was all about guess and check. When problems got tough, I guessed incorrectly so often that I literally erased holes in my paper. However, when quadratics are easy to factor, guess and check with a little bit of strategy works well. Let's talk about the easy problems this time. When I say easy, I mean quadratic trinomials of the form ax squared plus bx plus c, with a equal to 1, which means a plain old x squared term at the start. When we factor these, the resulting factors are two binomials. Here's one to try that shouldn't result in erasing holes in anyone's paper. X squared plus 5x plus 6. Why I love this problem. Since the first term is x squared, we can write two sets of parentheses whose first term is an x. X times x is the only way to get a product of x squared. There are two plus signs in the trinomial, which tells us that when we factor, we'll only need plus signs. We need terms that multiply to give us 6, the constant, and also add to give us 5, the middle term's coefficient. Well, easy enough. 2 times 3 is 6. 2 plus 3 is 5. That's the quantity x plus 2 times the quantity x plus 3. To check that we've factored correctly, check that these binomials multiply to give the trinomial we started with. Ever heard of FOIL? F for firsts, O for outers, I for inners, and L for lasts. Multiply the first terms in each binomial. X times x is x squared. Multiply the outers. X times 3 equals 3x. Multiply the inners. 2 times x equals 2x. Multiply the lasts. 2 times 3 equals 6. Combine like terms, and we're right back where we started. This means we factored correctly. I'm not a big fan of FOIL, but every algebra teacher I've encountered teaches it, so I'm guessing you've heard of it. FOIL isn't some mysterious or special way to multiply. It's just an acronym that helps you remember to apply the distributive property. All FOIL says is to multiply each term in the first binomial by each term in the second binomial. Just distribute fairly, and you really don't need to worry about FOIL.